Hey, Cudgle, check out this game that's coming out soon. It's called Blasphemous.
Robert, you know me. I don't care about a video game unless the trailer shows the main character being ripped in half by a gigantic blindfolded baby. Yeah, fair enough. Yo! What's going on, guys? It's your boy Cudgle. Today we'll be making a big boy sculpture of the main character of the game Blasphemous. It's a Kickstarter game that actually looks really cool in all seriousness. I'll link the Kickstarter in the description so you guys can check it out for yourselves. Today's project was, wait for it, it was a commission! Yay! If you want your own commission, go into the description, click the link that goes to my Etsy, you can message me, we'll talk, it'll be real nice, we'll become friends, not that we aren't already, I love you, you're my best friend. Let's just get right into it, yeah? I mean, cut off all the slack, just start the video. I haven't done that in a while, let's go. Let's go, I'm hyped, I'm ready, I'm so ready, yeah, let's go. Today's project is a huge lad, so I got a wooden base that we can build onto. Here I'm drilling holes into it so I can thread some wire through for the wireframe. The wireframe is simple enough, I just had to make sure to include the sword and the pointy head so they wouldn't be fragile. Now we're going to add the clay to the wireframe. We'll smooth it out in a bit. And here's what we've got so far. Now that we have a basic human figure on the wireframe, we can add the clothing and armor, starting with the boots. Here's how the legs turned out. He has a large sun symbol on his belt, so I went ahead and made that. His belt also has two ropes tied around it. The easiest way to make rope that I know of is just to take two thin snakes of clay and twirl them together. Here I'm just adding some wrinkles to his shirt so it looks like his clothes have more weight. The head was one of the most fun parts of the sculpture. We'll be putting it on later. For now, we can do the sword. It's pretty wide and has vines going up both sides. I also did the gloves, but I didn't film that part, so please don't be mad at me. His chest plate has some details made of vines as well. Oh, by the way, we can put the head on now. He has a cloth on his shoulder that's waving in the wind. I just took some flattened clay and wrinkled it a bit, then cut the end to make it look tattered. He's got one shoulder plate. I guess he thinks he's too good for two shoulder plates. His scarf has a small symbol on the end that I just made out of small clay bit. Now to make him a pointy boy. We're gonna make a cone out of clay, then smooth it onto his head. Here I added a layer of clay that makes it look more like a helmet, not just a massive cone head. His helmet also has vines on it with periodically placed thorns. After that, he's ready to be baked. Once he's baked, he's ready to be painted. The little cracks you see in the base will be filled in with paint later, don't worry about it. And there we go, guys, a sculpture of the Penitent One from the game Blasphemous. Thanks so much for watching. If you want your own commission, let me know on my Etsy. Check out the Kickstarter for Blasphemous in the description. It looks like a really fun game, and I can't wait for when it comes out. It already hit its goal, so now it's just a matter of waiting until it's released. Make sure to follow my social mediums in the description or on your screen right now for updates and sneak peeks of future videos. Make sure to have a great day, or else I'll be really mad and it'll be all your fault. And I'll see you guys later. Thank you so much for watching, all you beautiful people. I really hope you enjoyed the video, and please let me know what you thought of the video and the sculpture itself, because I actually really like hearing your criticisms because it helps me grow as an artist. Again, if you want your own commission, go down to Etsy in my description, message me, and we'll have a good old time. Make sure to follow my Twitter, Instagram, subscribes, and stuff if that tickles your fancy. And last but not least, Robert wanted me to let you guys know that he's wearing his cool biker jacket.
I look really cool in this.
He does look really cool in it.
2 to the 1, 1 to the 3. I like good pussy and I like good trees. Smoke so much weed you wouldn't believe, and I get more ass than a toilet seat. 3 to the 1, 1 to the 3. I met a bad bitch last night in the D.